Hello citizens of the world, we are Anonymous. Dear brothers and sisters, now is the time to open your eyes and expose the truth. Anonymous logo and slogan has been defiled and registered through the National Institute of Industrial Property, INPI. An online teacher company online called Early Flickr or eFlickr has registered the Anonymous slogan and logo and passed it on as their own. Now under French law the company owns the rights to the Anonymous logo and slogan. The company's website is pickuphop.fr. In a response, the National Institute of Industrial Property said that the conditions seem fulfilled since the mark is registered and it does not seem to have made use. Their arrogance and ignorance of what they have done will not go unpunished. Anonymous will take down any business they have going on the internet, and the 99% will not stop until the registration has been revoked and a public apology has been made. The name of Anonymous will not be the whore of the world. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.